Hey, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hi, I'm Bri. Today I'm going to talk about what I got in my FabFitFun box, aka unboxing. I love the spring box, kind of gives me fall vibes. So I picked all these products. I am an annual member, so I get to choose all these products first before there's like seasonal membership, which you get to pick after the annual members. But you get to pay a little bit more up front, and it's supposed to save money and stuff. And then I did get some add-ons. So anyway, first product. So I have tried a sunscreen from Glow Recipe. I gave it to my 13-year-old sister because, you know, the teens like in the drunk elephant and the Glow Recipe. So she was so excited. But this is from Glow Recipe. I didn't see this in my spoilers, I don't think. This is the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum, Deep Hydration and Glow. Super pretty. That just, it looks really, really nice. I have very dry skin, so I like that. And then I also got I picked the Cloud, or it's from AG Care, the Cloud Air Light Volumizing Mousse, and it's a pump, but it's not an aerosol. I try not to use aerosols. I mean, this is plastic, but aerosols, you cannot recycle them. This is vegan, cruelty-free. I looked up everything too to make sure that it was vegan, cruelty-free before I selected it. So I've never tried a mousse, but my hair can be kind of like, this is just me blowing it out. My hair can be kind of flat, so like getting some oomph would be kind of nice. So that made it look worse. And then I also picked the Glossier product, so you could get an eyeliner and then you could choose the liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna try this on right now. This is the Glossier G Sweet Lip Cream in the shade Lane. I tried to see swatches of it, but the swatches kind of, I think, were actually mixed up. So there's the shade, and then I'll swatch it. It's very moussey. So it is, I like shades like that, but I just thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter, but that's fine. So it has kind of like a precise applicator. It's a little streaky. Let me show you guys how excited I'm getting streaky. Yeah, I'm trying to make it not look streaky. Oh, my cat. So I think this would do better for lip liner underneath. I do like the precise applicator. It's just, and it's not the most like long wearing. I wore this yesterday. Oh my, this is the worst, like, wow. Wow. Yeah, it is patchy. It's not really drying down at all. It's more moussey. So not drying, but this is my favorite. No, the eyeliner was very black. It's in the shade Ink, which makes sense because it's a black eyeliner. So I did put this on my tight line yesterday. I never put these on my like actual waterline here. I think it kind of closes off the eye, but I do tight line with it. So I didn't have any issues with it. Yeah, this is not dry at all. Anyway, I mean, it looks fine. It didn't wear off really weird. So like when I was eating and drinking, but it just feels kind of like it's a liquid lipstick, but not matte. Like it's more of a satin, but I don't know. I prefer, like I like ones that aren't messy or streaky, obviously, but I do like the color. I just think it definitely needs a lip liner. I got the Dibs. I had never tried Dibs before. I know it's like an influencer brand. I know she's on Instagram and on YouTube. But this is from Dibs Beauty. This is the Desert Island Duo Blush Bronzer Stick. And I got the shades You Do You and Mood Boost. I think it was like, I don't know, the lightest shade. I wore this yesterday. I could still smell it on my brush. It has like a balmy texture to them. So this is a blush. This is a bronzer. It almost looks like a blush. They smell delicious. They smell like this like vanilla kind of chocolatey scent. I don't know, like some type of a candy. Kind of nostalgic, but they did not really last. And I've had this blush on for 12 plus hours, okay? And this is a powder, but like even creams, like this just did not last. I wanted it to last, so maybe it lasts better like if you set it with a powder, but like this is just powder. You can blend them out, but like maybe that's why they're just not really setting like at all. You can just kind of blend it away almost. Like, so I don't know. It's fun to try different brands and just be, I'm transparent and honest here, okay? And then I got Fry Cosmetics mascara. I am in the middle of filming a review. I'm actually wearing it today though. And look, no flakes, maybe one right there. But I did compare it to the e.l.f. mascara. I'm gonna compare it to the KVD tube mascara because this is really nice for when you remove it. Like, this is the shade black, by the way. This is shade Bryn, which is the rich black. But the e.l.f. one is pretty good too. So, but if you want length, there is some volume, but not a lot. So if you want like something kind of like natural, but I will tell you, the wand is super big. Like, and there is kind of like a learning curve. There are two sides to it. And I kind of had to like, first you put, you know, this side and then you comb it out. And the wand is huge. So, but I mean, and it is a little, I will show you guys, it's a teensy bit messy. All right, had to stop because the kids are like falling asleep and stuff, and I'm just right next to them. Still trying to figure out my filming space. This is our room. Oh, I was talking about the Malin and Goats or Goatess Strawberry 100% perfume oil, which I prefer oils, but I got this, like the packaging, the color, not as good in here, it's okay. And then it's a roller. It smells very like fresh. I feel like oils last longer on me. Fresh, bright, and unexpected. Okay. A reimagined interpretation of the Common Garden strawberry. Dynamic and deconstructed Francais, or yeah, that was in French. Okay. So yeah, slight floral without being like, I don't know if that's grandma's, but grandma-y, like the stereotypical grandma-y smell. Very fresh, bright, and unexpected. So I really like that. I've only worn this like 2 times, but it smells really nice and clean. And then for add-ons, or also I got, this was one of the options, but I added it on for an extra $12. So you get like a 3 set of earrings, which I thought really pretty. And then for add-ons, I got the About Face Line Artist Longwear Gel Eyeliner in Into the Void, which is just a black, but it's a twist up. So I put that in my waterline too. Again, I don't put blacks in my waterline up here, tight line. So I put this in my upper waterline. But that was like $6 instead of, I think it's 12. And then I also got a lip liner from About Face. It is in the shade Smoking Room, sorry, the color. But it's like this really pretty nude, and this lasted. So, by the way, this liquid lipstick is still not, I literally washed my hands. So I washed my hands and it just completely came off, just like the blushes, but it just came right off. But it's still not dried down like at all. I don't know if it's because I'm wearing chapstick, but it didn't really last at all yesterday. Not that I made a mess, but this was still on my lips, like still lined. So anyway, and then because I got add-ons, certain amount, I got the Style Edit Root Concealer. I have not used that, but it's supposed to, the darkest shade was medium brown, which I have very dark brown. You can't see my grays, but I do have grays. So I did get that. And then I also got, I think this is my last add-on. I got this other perfume from Skylar. I haven't tried Skylar. It is it's the Flamenco Spice. Lemon, black pepper, and cedarwood are the notes. My daughter was wearing this. And it says it layers well with peach fields and salt air. There are other scents. So I never tried Skylar, like I said. I can smell the cedarwood. It's also like a rollerball. You can smell the lemon. You can smell the pink pepper. You can smell the cedarwood. It's another kind of like fresh, not super like musky, outdoorsy, but I do like it. I just don't know about spice. But it is like a nice scent. It's not like super, super feminine. I feel like it's almost like unisex. So yeah, that is what I got in my FabFitFun. What did you guys choose? I want to know. I'm excited for the, now we're going to be in the summer box. It's crazy. So then I have a full year of having FabFitFun. I'm subscribing to FabFitFun since last summer, but I didn't film because I got it really late. And then my first unboxing was the fall box. So I do pay for this. So if you want to use, I think I have a link that like you get money off, I get money off. It's in the description box below, but let me know Like, would you have been happy with this box? These were just my selections. I like a lot of makeup, but the add-ons were really, really good. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, stay safe, healthy, and do something that makes you happy.